in the filter cleaner. Just set it in here. Then you'll get all your adjustments made, your centering bearings and your limit switches. Close the door and lower your clamp. Yeah, turn your timer on. It'll depend on how dirty the filter is and the material being cleaned. Hit this dust collector on and just hit the start button. That's it. After your filter is done cleaning, the timer will shut off by itself, and then you just raise the clamping mechanism, and then you just unload your filter and load the next one. Put your filter in there, then you adjust your limit switches down here, just at least even with the edge of your filter. And then you slide back and forth in the thumb screws, just tighten them back down. Alright, there's two settings, or two holes, mounting holes for the bearing. The bottom one's for the smaller diameter filters and the top one is for larger. Just adjust it as you need it. And then you just slide these in, centering, keep the filter from walking around, and tighten it down. Your adjustments for the diameter of your filter, we have them labeled here. It's just 3 holes and you just adjust them accordingly to the diameter. After each filter, you just want to come through and use the paddle, knock all that dirt down to the bag. When that's the dust is starting to accumulate and not coming out of the cabinet, you just want to deep clean it by taking an air blower and blowing all that dirt back into the filter down into the bag.